أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, as you know, I have started this channel just to convey the accurate message of Islam. In this respect, I have already uploaded my 6 videos on specific topic that Islam is a peaceful religion, not a terrorist religion. In this respect, I have taken the references from Holy Quran and the teachings of our Holy Prophet, and according to my own part, I have tried my best that Islam is a peaceful religion not only for mankind but also all other living creatures on this earth. Today my topic is different, and that is Islam and nature. That is the name of my channel. In this respect, firstly I will define the meanings of word Islam. The word Islam is derived from Urdu word Salam, that means peace. That is why when we mention the name of our religion, Islam, the second meanings and comprehension that comes in our minds, that is peace. Islam, the religion of Allah Almighty, and its followers are called Muslims, and the theory of Islam is that there is no God except Allah Almighty and His Prophet Mohammad, peace be upon him. Its Muslims confirmed faith that the person, the man who spends his life according to the will of Allah Almighty and the giving directions of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is called Muslim. And secondly, I will define the word nature. Nature means physically all world, and whatever is in this world, such as plants, mountains, and other things that are created by Allah Almighty, not made by a man. The creations, whatever are in this world physically, and they are made by Allah Almighty, they are called nature. And it is also universally said the nature cannot be changed. Similarly, the man or mankind is also created by Allah Almighty, and this world and whatever in this world, whatever is in this world, that is also created by Allah Almighty. The creator of mankind and nature is one, that is Allah Almighty, according to the faith of Muslims. And man is also created by Allah Almighty, and the nature of the man will be also created by Allah Almighty. And what is the nature? This is a complicated word because it's the confirmed faith of the Muslims that there is too much relevancy between Islam and nature. The Islamic rules are around about the nature, and nature is according to the rules of Islamic laws and Islamic philosophy. I will try to define the word nature here, giving an example. Everybody has an Android cell phone, and there is a default system in every Android cell phone. When we try to install any app into that cell phone, sometime the default setting of that cell phone alarmed us that the app that you are installing now that can be the harmful for that cell phone. The interior default setting of that cell phone is alarming us, indicating us that the app that is being installed now into me, that is harmful for me, that can damage my functions. If instead of this alarming indication, we installed that app into our cell phone, after some time, due to that app, our mobiles is hacked and become functionless. It's mean we have not followed the default setting of that cell phone because our default setting alarmed us that this app that you are installing can be harmful for your cell phone. We have not followed the nature of that cell phone that was already installed by its maker, that has alarmed us. Similarly, in human body, there is a default setting that is already set in our body. That is our common sense, good sense, and our conscience. When anybody, any person want to do bad thing, want to do bad work, bad deed, want to commit a sin, a bad work, then the already installed default setting in human body alarmed us that whatever you are doing now, that is against morality, against nature, and against the law of nature and the law of Allah Almighty. And when we do a good work, we feel relaxation. Then the interior already default setting into the human body provided us the message that you have done good work. This is our nature. And my topic will be the next same. There is too much relevancy between Islam and nature. Inshallah, on this topic, I will continue my discussion till the quenchment of this topic. Inshallah ta'ala, if you will be connected with me, I will deliver my next lecture, how much relevancy and how many things and how much relevancy is scientifically in Islam and nature. inshallah.